But first, because they may be gone, but their deeds outlive them, this headline lingering from the previous administration's 50 running scandals, still Bush. Get a roll of stamps and mail it in gate. Continuing his unseemly tour as the ex-president who will talk to your group if you pay him enough. Mr. Bush was asked by business leaders in the Indian city of New Delhi if Osama bin Laden, now I've done it, if Osama bin Laden was still alive. Bush's conclusion, I guess he's not dead. He added, however, that he's not leading victory parades nor espousing his cause on television. This from the man who promised 8 years ago last month to get bin Laden, quote, dead or alive, and who committed this country to 2 wars, one pointless, the other as undersupported as if he had intended not to win it, to fulfill his boast. Bush then had the nerve to say he hoped we did not abandon the people of Afghanistan, as if he had not done that personally in 2002. The presidency has ended, but the stupidity lingers on.